We're going to add our links to our articles area of our index page. Notice this finished version, we're going to have a piece of text for a link, read more, and this is going to take us to one of our sub pages that each of these three front page articles relate to. So you notice that we have a read more in each of our articles. And you also notice that when you click on the image, we're going to make that a link as well that goes to the particular subpage. That one goes to the workshops page. This one should go to the store page. All right, so let's get into our original page, and notice we do not have any read more and our images are not clickable at this time. So let's get into our text editor and add some hyperlinks. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the text links to each article. So here's our first article for the workshops. I'm going to do this in a new paragraph after the text paragraph. So I'm going to do a p tag. I'm going to nest my link inside of here, my anchor, my ahref. And we're going to go from the index page into the HTML folder, / and then to the name of the web page we want to link to. This one's going to be workshops.html. Close that bracket. Let's put our linking text. We're going to put in here something that says read more. And we're going to close our link first, the closing A, and then we're going to close our paragraph. And let's see if that shows up on our page. Refresh. There's our linking text. Let's go ahead and add the other links to the articles as text links right now. So since we already have that string, I'm just going to copy that whole string, put it below the paragraph in the second article, and then change the destination. It's not going to go to the workshops page. It's going to go to the store.html page. So I have that one. Then we're going to go down to the third article. Under that, paste it again. This page, we're going to go to community.html, and all of these are located inside of the same HTML folder. I'm going to save that and just make sure they appear on our page. So we have a read more there, we have a read more there, and a read more there. We'll test them once we get all the links inserted into the page. So now we want to link to the images. So we're just going to basically copy and paste some more code and wrap the images in these same hypertext anchor tags. So as we've wrapped that text in this one, we're going to come up here and get the opening one. Actually, let's start with the workshops one. We'll get that ahref tag, copy that. We're just going to wrap it around the image. We're going to put the opening hyperreference tag before that because it's going to the same place, workshops. It's just we're making both a text link at the bottom of the article, and we're going to make the image an active link at the top of the article. I'm going to close my anchor. I'm going to do the same thing for the store. I'm going to get the README from the bottom of the store article. Put that before the top of the article where the image for the store is. Paste that in, and once again, you want to close your anchor at the end of your picture. That way it won't make the rest of this type in your text content into a link if you close it. I'm going to do the same thing down on my third article. I'm going to get the hypertext reference. Notice I'm not getting the paragraph before it. I'm just getting the ahref tag, the opening to the link tag. Copy that. Paste that in front of the image. Close my anchor at the end of the image. Let's save this, go to the browser, and test all of our links before we move on. We want to make sure we have these links working properly. All right, so let's do our first text link for workshops. That goes to workshops, very good. Let's test the image. That goes to workshops, very good. Let's check the read more to the store. Goes to the store, very good. Let's check the image link to the store. That's good. Check the text link for the community at the bottom. Community, very good. And let's check the bus image. All right, so we've got our links added to our text content on the index page.